Hi witchies, and welcome back to my witchy kitchen where I share my magical recipes with you. Today we are going to be making a cabbage soup with a witchy twist, so let's jump into it. First you'll need a large pot. This is going to make a lot of soup. You will fill it with 1 green cabbage chopped, 1 yellow onion chopped, 1 can of corn, 1 can of bean medley, 1 can of sweet peas, and 1 jar of tomato and basil pasta sauce. And here's where the witchy part comes in. You can either add 2 jars worth of water or add 2 jars worth of moon water. I've used beaver moon water in this recipe for its stability and creativity, which I can never get enough of. Mix it all together with your intentions and then place it on the stove on medium heat for about an hour, stirring occasionally to make sure nothing burns at the bottom. Once the hour is up, take it off the stove and serve in bowls. It is your choice to add something special to the top. I like adding croutons, but some people may like to make garlic bread or sprinkle crackers just for some extra crunch. And there you have it, my comforting cabbage soup. Perfect for chasing away the cold. Thanks for coming by. If you enjoyed this video and don't want to miss any of my witchy content, like and subscribe. Until next time, stay safe, stay magical, and as always, have the day you deserve. Happy cooking, my witchies. Toodles for now. Today, we are going to be making a cabbage soup with a whisty twist. Nope. First, you'll need to get yourself a lodge pot. Yeah, okay. It is your choice to add something special to the top. I like adding croutons. There we go. It is your choice to add something special to the top. I like adding... I keep wanting to say croutons. I keep on wanting to say croutons. It's not croutons, it's croutons. It's croutons. Croutons. Not croutons. It is your choice to add something special to the top. I like This is gonna be the end of me today. And there you have it, my comforting cabbage soup. Perfect for chasing away the cold. Thanks for coming by. If you enjoyed this video, don't enjoy my video. I don't want you to enjoy my video. Okay,